Welcome to my world. Won't you come on in? Miracles, I guess. So this is the digital skills workshop. You can see all our grandmas are very busy. Happening now and then. Step into my heart. Leave your
Have I signed up? Have I signed up for this group?
Yes.
So to do so, yes.
Yes. The answer is yes.
Lovely, thank you.
We're not taking you to space. Leave your cares. So meet all our friends here. My phone is playing up this morning. Grandma, how's it going? And Jane, how's it going?
Everything's fine.
Okay.
Today I haven't been looking at jobs today. I've been helping Grandma. It's her second time.
Lydia.
Yep, Lydia.
Lydia.
Sorry, Lydia. Lydia, Grandma. Grandma Lydia.
Grandma doing it?
It's her second time being at the workshop, and I've been helping her going through Learn My Way. It's weird, where I've been doing it myself, it's now weird helping Grandma Lydia doing it. It's so weird because it's like I'm the teacher.
Yes, you are the teacher.
It's like going back to school, it really is.
So, Grandma, are you finding
This
it?
one wants me to put my
Yes,
phone
put your
number.
mobile.
Okay, thank you, ladies.
It's been fun.
It's been fun. Welcome to my world.
So how do I change that email address that is there that is not?
The five
You have to
contact
log out of
method. The one you can
Used to
use
be mine, but in the phone that was stolen.
Before. Oh, but it's still your email.
No, but I haven't.
Used it for.
I haven't used it, and I discarded it. I'm using
Okay, so
a new one.
So what we'll do is we'll have to log you out because your computer thinks that you're still using that email address. So this is Grandma Nancy. She's our youngest grandma here. Say hi. So we're talking about emails and Google. How to remove an old email. So I'm going to get back to that and replace the new one. So you have to log out of that email. Grandma, we need to go to your Google now, please. Let's go to Google.
So this one.
Hello, Grandma. What's the problem today? So this is our digital skills class. Grandma is asking a question. Yes, Grandma.
Preferred method of connecting me. Which one will be much easier for me? Phone or email?
Phone. For me, it's phone. What do you prefer?
Which one is better? Phone.
I normally use phone. You like phone? Okay, phone is fine.
My point is that if they call and not ready to pick it, what do I do? My phone and
Just press the box. That's it. And then next.
Yeah.
I'm having fun here. Thanks for joining me today.
That's nice. Thank you very
Oh,
much.
Grandma, are you enjoying the class?
I'm
Tell
really
them.
enjoying it. Only I'm expecting my laptop very soon. Thank you. God bless you.
So we do get donations. We do get laptop donations. We get donations for phones, smartwatches, PCs for our grandmas who are doing digital skills. And Grandma is reminding me that she needs to get her laptop.
Thank you very much. God bless you. As you support our program here.
Okay.
We really appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you, Grandma. Grandma, what was your question?
It's not ticking.
It's not ticking.
No, I don't do
maybe it's stuck. Okay. Sorry, I'm talking to Grandma.
It's not ticking, oh, it's not ticking, it's not ticking, it's not ticking, it's not ticking.
Interesting. Grandma, it shows that you're happy now if you're seeing it. I'm going to go back a page. I think the internet is stuck.
It's the internet,
Yeah,
it's
see,
in my
it's not
phone.
moving. It may not be your phone. Let me check your connection. Let's do that. Let's threaten that we're going to close it and then we'll come back to it. Maybe it might work.
Maybe we'll work later.
This response. Okay, sometimes I press the refresh by pulling it down like that. Hi everybody, thanks for joining us. Oh, I'm sorry, can you start again? Do you mind?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that because I refreshed it.
Okay, yes. Have you attended the Get Online workshop before? Yes.
Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the likes. Okay, yes. Then you press next.
Then
How many times?
how many times have you attended? 1 in 5. This is my third time.
Grandma, you know you look amazing. Look at how fantastic your face looks on the internet. Look at that. See, you look stunning. Wow.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so you press. I don't think you've got any gifts yet.
No,
So you press other,
Other.
and then you type none for me. None. Yes, ma'am.
They ask a question here whether my name is on the list of people that they are asking for laptop. I now press yes. I don't know whether my name is on the list.
Yes, you press yes.
I've
then
already pressed yes.
No, but you already told me you haven't got before.
No,
so
no,
that's
no.
fine.
And they say it's your name among the list. I now press yes. I think that's good.
That's fine. Then
Am
you
I
press
okay?
submit. You have to press submit. If you
uh,
don't
okay.
submit, it won't register.
And so
Submit.
that they won't say I told lie. That's why I'm.
Oh, Grandma, no, you're not lying. You're not lying. Grandma, so what's up?
Any of these simple
Thanks. Oh, yeah,
Okay, Grandma. So just keep
Is
tapping.
this where,
Yes.
where the problem
Yeah,
is?
tap that.
Oh,
fantastic.
now it's there.
Working.
Well done, it's working.
Okay. All right, viewers, thanks for joining me. Getty Ogiri, thanks for. Oh, not invite. D Dollar, thanks for joining me. This is one of my fun things. I absolutely love playing with grandmas here. We're learning how to use the computer. We're learning how to use devices. Oh wait, thank you. Grandma, I'm coming. No, I come. I'm speaking to a multinational audience. I can't speak Yoruba now. Okay, Grandma. Yes, what do you want me to do?
I don't know my email.
You don't know your email? Oh, did you write it on paper?
As in the phone.
Oh, sugar.
It's inside the phone.
Grandma, do you have a notebook for it? You have a notebook. Did you bring it? No? You didn't bring your
There are
notebook?
so many. They are not even
Okay.
the one.
Okay, Grandma, what I need you to do is I need you to open your email. Yes, that's your lovely face. Can you see how lovely? You know this is TikTok. Some people wanted to go on TikTok. Can you see? This is TikTok. Grandma, I want you to open your email on your phone. You look young. I want you to look young. Let them see how young you look. See how amazing.
I need a boyfriend.
Grandma, they're enjoying you. They're enjoying you. Oh yeah, Grandma, open your email. Open your email.
Like that. Take my picture.
I'm taking your picture. See, Grandma is excited about this. I'm taking to your daughter. Okay, I'll take a picture of you now. Let's do that. Send it to your daughter. Okay, I've taken a picture now. You happy? Oh yeah, Grandma, open the email on your phone. You want us to solve this problem, don't you?
Yes, I want.
All right, so open the email then. Let's do that, please. Okay, we're getting excited. Thank you for joining my live. It's supposed to be a very short one. I appreciate your time today. Thank you so much. Grandma, no, I want you to open email on your phone. Your normal email. Yes, to get your email address.
When I go
That's what I mean, yes. So we're going to find out what your email is. That one is not talking to. Fantastic. So how do you check your emails normally? Hi, Lane. How many minutes have we got? Oh, wow. It's been a busy day. No, we're not doing that. We're going to, how do you normally check your emails? Normally, when somebody sends you email, where do you go? Okay, press this for me. Press these 3 lines. 3 lines. Press 3 lines. Yeah, please press 3 lines. We're going to look for your email app. What does this one do? This is not the email one. Okay, how do you check emails? Do you have Gmail here? Gmail? Do this. Gmail. It might be in the folder. See that folder at the top? There's a folder. We're looking for Gmail. That's the one. So what I want us to do now is to make a note of the name on this email. So the email here, if you press F, Grandma, I think I need your help. Grandma Sarah. So this is your email. I want you to write this down so that we can use it. You have 2 of them. You choose one.
I can write for
Please
her.
write it down. Can I give you a chair? So after that, you'll be able to do the form. Hi, people. I love doing this.
Can you believe this?
So you can write the 2 emails down for next time. Grandma has forgotten her email address. She's very young. So forgive her for that. Well done, Samuela. You're not doing what I asked. Grandma. Survey completed. It's inside the chat.
No, he's just talking about the next one. Right, so there it's got.
This song shall not arise again, I'm hearing.
So it's listen to it.
Thanks for joining me, Desiree. Grandma, do you want to say hello to my audience?
Hello.
I think I've caught you off guard a bit.
It's been very wonderful, you know.
Do you want me to give you lipstick today? This is TikTok. You want some lipstick? Let's try lipstick. Hi viewers. I absolutely love doing this. So I'm going to try and give Grandma some lipstick like I did with the other grandma the other day. Oh, sugar. Come on, don't do this. Ah, I'm getting stuck. Oh, no, I don't want that. I don't. Ah! Do you want a cap? No. You don't want it? Okay.
Have you signed up?
Have I signed up? What do you mean, ma'am?
Have I signed up?
It's a co-op. The co-op.
Have I signed up?
I don't know. Have you? Have you been to the shop? No. Then the answer is no, Grandma. Okay, sorry everyone, we're trying to do some computer skills here. Enhance, I'm looking for...
The name of a company.
Oh, I keep pressing the wrong thing. Grandma, you see, me I'm the teacher and I'm not getting it right. No results found. Okay, then get me out of this. Enhance, effects, what am I looking for? Ah, that's the one. Dami, what lipstick would you like?
I like red.
Red, let's go for red. How red do you want it?
Not
Too red. This one?
Yeah.
That one is hardly showing. Okay, let's go for that one.
What for this?
Can you see your lipstick? It's not showing. Okay. You can? I don't see the lipstick, do you?
Okay. Do what lipstick you want.
No. I want the lipstick you want. Let's find one that's really rude and red.
That's it.
How nice. Ooh, that's not a bad color. Okay then. How are you enjoying it today? If you are.
Oh yes, I always enjoy all your program.
Click on it and see
Lovely. There's always new thing to learn, and there's always improvement of what we have learned. And what is more, you have a way of bringing people to assist us to learn more. Fortunately, you didn't bring some today, you know.
Well, that's why you're here. You're helping.
So that's why, okay, we are all trying to see how we can help each other. It's wonderful attending the programs. We just want to be able to continue attending. Thank you for the good job.
Okay. Thank you, Grandma Elizabeth. Grandma, there's a lot on your mind. It is well. I don't understand this lipstick. Grandma, can you see my lipstick?
Type the name and
It's big, yeah. Play it back, let's see now. What are you
It's still on. I'll play it back later. Okay, one grandma is calling me. Grandma, I wonder if you like my lipstick.
This is the current. This is the current.
Grandma, I'm teasing you. I heard you. Can you see your lipstick? You like your lipstick or not? Do you like it? You like a lipstick? Or is it too much?
I don't put on lipstick.
She doesn't put on lipstick. Okay, Grandma.
I just wanted to show you my current, and it's even
that's the
in
one
the
you want. Okay.
Yeah, that's the one that I'm using, and that's
the one you wanted to use. So we need to go to your phone and change it. Let's go to your phone. Open your phone, please. Oh.
Can I take my hand off?
Yes.
He's trying to catch you out.
Thank you for joining me today. I was just sharing with the world what we do at the Get Online workshop. This is London, Ariola from Be Money Wise. Thank you so much, and I'll catch up with you guys soon.
I've done that now.
Thank you.
Where do you want me to go in my phone?
Grandma, you want to ask them? Have a nice day. Thank you, everyone. I haven't been able to say all your names today. God bless you. Thanks for joining me. The grandmas are happy. We're learning how to use TikTok. Step by step, we'll get there. But here's Grandma and me. We don't wear lipstick. Meanwhile, TikTok is giving us lipstick.
It's too much.
Speak later. Thank you. I thought we were going to get some gifts. Grandma, just 1 second.
The one that you sent.
Yeah, the one.